Why would a species go extinct? Which of these choices is the best answer to that question? All right. Well, if you have competition, they all have the word competing species, and you're competing for resources that are limited, right? So, if limited resources are like sunlight, water, if you're a tree or a plant, or if you're a squirrel, like the amount of food, or nesting areas for birds. And if the resources are limited and other species are competing for the same resources, then that would cause the one that has less fitness or less adaptations to go extinct. So the answer is D. All right, the competing species that's competing for the same resources that are limited, if they have better adaptations than you, then you're likely to go extinct because you can't access those resources as well as that competing species. All right, I just want to point your attention to choice A. Get this misconception out of your mind, okay? Just because something is larger doesn't mean it's better. Sometimes that's true. Like larger trees are usually beneficial because they can access more sunlight, or larger giraffes. If there are tall trees with food high up in the trees, then larger necks are beneficial, but that's not always true. Like squirrels don't want to be very large, I don't think, because then they're not as nimble and they can't run away from hawks and things that are trying to eat it, and so on. I'm not a squirrel expert, but I'm just saying that's not always true. All right, so yep, the other two are kind of obvious. All right, let me know if you have any questions.